Okay, we were on I-75. We had stopped, traffic had stopped, and the guy behind us, I guess, never saw us. And he just kept going and hit us from the back. I couldn't move my neck for a little while. Did therapy and all that, and it's gotten better. I think I Googled you guys and decided to call you guys and get some information. It was great. It was great. Angie was a lot of help, and everything was very fast, very smooth. I mean, everything was good. I don't have any complaints. Absolutely, I would. The team was very clear and very helpful with everything, so I would.